Namaskar. Bridge Course Standard 7th Maths Day 39. Today we are see a quadrilaterals. We can take 4 points. Point A, point B, point C, point D, such that any 3 of them will be non-collinear. These points are to be joined to make a closed figure. Point AB can join, point BC can join, point CD can join, and point AD can join. We get a closed figure. The figure obtained is called a quadrilateral. That means these are the quadrilaterals. Reading and writing of quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral can be named by clockwise or anti-clockwise and writing the name by using a sign like this. When we write a quadrilateral name, we use this sign. First, we can read a name of quadrilaterals by clockwise. First, quadrilateral A, B, C, D, clockwise. We can start from the vertex A, B, C, D. Second, we can start from vertex B, quadrilateral B, C, D, A. B, C, D, A. Third, we can start from the vertex C, quadrilateral C, D, A, B. Fourth, we can start from vertex D, quadrilateral D, A, B, C. Now we can write in this reading name. Quadrilateral ABCD we can write by using the sign quadrilateral ABCD, quadrilateral BCDA, quadrilateral CDAB, quadrilateral DABC. We can read a name of quadrilateral by clockwise and we can take each vertex at a first time. We can read a name of quadrilateral by anti-clockwise. First start from vertex A, quadrilateral A, D, C, B, quadrilateral A, D, C, B. Now we can start from vertex B, quadrilateral B, A, D, C, quadrilateral B, A, D, C. Now we can start from the vertex C, quadrilateral C, B, A, D, quadrilateral C, B, A, D. Quadrilateral name which can start from the D, D, C, B, A. Now we can write this name. Quadrilateral ADCB, quadrilateral BADC, quadrilateral CBAD, quadrilateral DCBA. We can use the sign of quadrilateral. Now see adjacent side of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral ABCD. We can see a adjacent side. Side AB adjacent side AD. Also side AB adjacent side BC. But adjacent sides of a quadrilateral have a common vertex. We can write a one pair of adjacent side. First side AB and side AD. These are adjacent side and their common vertex is A. Second pair side AD and side DC are adjacent side and their common vertex is D. Third, side DC and side BC are the adjacent side and their common vertex is C. Fourth, side BC and side BA are the adjacent side and their common vertex is B. Now we see opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Opposite sides of quadrilateral pair is side AD opposite side BC and side AB opposite side DC. Opposite sides of a quadrilateral do not have a common vertex. We can write the pairs of opposite sides of quadrilateral. First we can write this blue side, side AD, opposite side BC. Second we can write these opposite sides, side AB, opposite side DC. I can use here same color for the opposite sides. Adjacent angles of a quadrilateral. The angle of a quadrilateral which have one common arm are called the adjacent angle of the quadrilateral. We can here first see the pair of adjacent angle. Angle A adjacent angle B, or angle A adjacent angle D. When we see angle A and angle B, there is a common arm AB. Common arm AB. Now we can write the pairs of adjacent angles of a quadrilateral. Angle DAB and angle ABC are the adjacent angles. They have a common arm AB. Second pair, angle ABC and angle BCD. B and C. Their common arm is BC. Third pair, angle BCD and angle CDA, and their common arm is CD. Fourth pair is angle CDA and angle DAB. Their common arm is DA. In adjacent angles, they have one common arm. Opposite angles of a quadrilateral. We can see here the opposite angles. That means angle A, angle C, angle B, angle D. Angle A, angle C are opposite angles. The angles of the quadrilateral which do not have a common arm is called the opposite angles of a quadrilateral. Now we can write the opposite angles of a quadrilateral. Angle BAD, opposite angle BCD. No common arm. Second pair, angle ABC and angle ADC. BAC and angle ADC. No common arm. These are called opposite angles of a quadrilateral. Diagonals of a quadrilateral. Now first we see diagonals. The line segments which join the vertices of the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are the diagonals of the quadrilateral. Angle A, angle C are the opposite angles, and the line segment which can join these opposite angles is called the diagonals of the quadrilateral. Now angle B and angle D are the opposite angles, and the line segment joining to the opposite angles are called diagonals. Diagonals of the quadrilateral ABCD are first diagonal AC, second diagonal DV. Solve. Write the following from quadrilateral PQRS. You can observe this diagram and write the question answer. First, write the pairs of opposite angles. Angle P, angle R, angle Q, angle S. These are the opposite angles. First pair is angle P and angle R. Second, angle Q, angle S. Angle Q and angle S. Question 2. Write the pairs of opposite side. PS opposite side QR. PQ opposite side SR. Side PS and side QR opposite sides. Second pair, side PQ and side SR are opposite sides. Write the pairs of adjacent sides. Now we can write any two adjacent sides pair. Side PS, side PQ. Side PS and side PQ are adjacent side. Now we can write this pair. Side SR and side QR, adjacent sides. Question 4. Write the pairs of adjacent angle. Angle P, angle S are the adjacent angles. Angle Q, angle R are the adjacent angles. Question 5. Write the name of diagonals of quadrilateral. You can join the opposite angles and write the quadrilateral name. Opposite angle Q and S. When we join these opposite angles by line segment, we get a diagonals. Diagonal PR, diagonal QS. We can write here diagonal PR, diagonal QS. Last, write the name of the quadrilateral in different ways. I can draw here quadrilateral P, Q, R, S. You can write a name of quadrilateral clockwise or anti-clockwise. First, clockwise. Quadrilateral P, S, R, Q. Second, start from S. Quadrilateral S, R, Q, P. Quadrilateral R, Q, P, S. And quadrilateral Q, P, S, R. Now we can write a name of a quadrilateral anti-clockwise. Quadrilateral P, Q, R, S. Second, start from Q. Quadrilateral Q, P, S, R. Third, quadrilateral R, Q, P, S. And fourth, quadrilateral S, R, Q, P. In this way, we can write a different ways of names of quadrilateral clockwise and anti-clockwise. Thank you.